How do I solve graph interpretation? Problems with percentages on the GED. Attention all students preparing for the General Educational Development Test. A hot topic right now is how to tackle graph interpretation problems that involve percentages. Many learners are searching for effective strategies to master this skill. Understanding how to read graphs and calculate percentages is essential for success on the test. When you encounter a graph in your study materials, the first step is to carefully examine it. Identify the type of graph you are looking at. Is it a bar graph, line graph, or pie chart? Each type presents data differently, and knowing this helps you interpret the information accurately. Next, read the question associated with the graph. The question will guide you on what specific information you need to find. It may ask for a percentage increase, a percentage of a total, or a comparison between different groups of data. To calculate a percentage, you need two key numbers, the part and the whole. The formula for finding a percentage is straightforward. You divide the part by the whole and then multiply by 100. For instance, if a bar graph displays the number of students who passed a test in various years, and the question asks for the percentage who passed in a specific year, take the number of students who passed that year. Divide it by the total number of students and multiply by 100 to get the percentage. If you need to determine the percentage change between 2 years, use a different formula. Subtract the old value from the new value, divide by the old value, and then multiply by 100. This calculation shows whether the number increased or decreased and by what percentage. Sometimes, you will need to compare percentages from different categories shown on the graph. Ensure you are using the correct numbers for each part of the question to avoid confusion. Practice is vital. Use sample questions from real general educational development practice tests or online resources. This will help you become familiar with various types of graphs and the questions that accompany them. The more you practice, the quicker and more accurate you will become at solving these problems. Always double-check your calculations. A small error can lead to an incorrect answer, which is something you want to avoid, especially on test day. Graph interpretation with percentages is a common component of the General Educational Development Math section. With consistent practice, you can improve your skills in reading graphs and solving these questions effectively.